Certs intake, that's 251 over here on the red side of the field. They have an intake, I'm not sure if they had it first or if they took some inspiration from Wild Sting, that's team 111. So that intake has 2 rollers both on top and bottom. I'm sorry, I got this color wrong. It's actually this robot over here. They have 2 rollers up on bottom, and that's able to not only tip over upright cubes, but also pick up tipped over cubes and be able to manipulate them in very quick ways. So as you roll this forward, you can see that they actually already have the cone in their intake there, but that was a tipped over cone that time. And if you pay attention to them as the day continues, you'll notice that they're able to pick up upright cones as well. They just there picked up one that was tipped over.
Yeah, so keeping an eye on the orientation of those game pieces and trying to make it as irrelevant as possible, an important part of their mechanical design.
Right, and just collaborating with other teams around the world. You know, it's not always about reinventing the wheel. It's about seeing how well you can make it work for yourself.
The growth of the open alliance that we're seeing with more and more of these FIRST Robotics teams committing to putting their designs and their processes out on the internet for other teams to utilize is really helping us grow this community and see the capabilities improve.
Particularly the build blogs you'll see on Chief Delphi and a couple of other places. I know some teams do them on their own website, but those are invaluable for teams that may be looking for ideas or looking for ways to iterate on their robot between competitions, which is very prevalent here, specifically in the Pacific Northwest, because our robots play at least 2 times, typically 3 times, especially if they make it here to this competition.
Absolutely. Still lots more robot action to come. We'll be back with match number 74 in just a moment.